Hey, it's Neha. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. Today I am making chicken chow mein with a Mauritian fusion twist to it. So I have fresh noodles. The fresh noodles, you can get this at your local supermarket. I have 2 cups of chicken breast. I have chopped up mushrooms, carrots, and green onions. All right, so what you want to do is preheat your wok, and I put oil in this. We will be frying up the chicken breast. Chicken breast. In you go. Perfect. So while this is frying up, what you want to do is keep mixing it, and then we will add the soy sauce in this. So I like to use 2 types of soy sauce. This one is a little bit more diluted with a little bit more watery, I should say. And this one is thicker. So this one I like to use it for taste. And this one you use a little bit of it because it's really, really dark. So let's get frying. All right, so now that it's getting golden, I'll be adding the soy sauce. So let's do this. Just a little bit, and then you play around with it and see how much you want or how much is needed. Okay, so see here, it's getting, so what it is that it's chow mein is just fried everything. So we're frying up the chicken, we're frying up the carrots, the mushrooms, and the noodles as well. So everything that you want, once you're frying it, I do it separately. So I do the chicken first, and that's why I have an empty bowl here. So once the chicken is done, we're putting in the bowl. And then we're putting the carrots in the wok to fry it up. So the reason for this is because the chicken, of course, I don't like mixing it with the veggies just for health reasons. Once that's done, it's gonna go in the bowl. And then we do the carrots, because the carrots and the mushrooms, of course, are gonna fry up differently. So what you wanna do is do the chicken first, get it all fried up, and then you can start on the rest. Okay, so the chicken is done, it's fried, and now we're adding the carrots to the wok. Perfect. So we'll do the exact same thing as well. We'll do the exact same thing and add soy sauce to this. And again, you don't want to burn it. You want to just fry it up a little bit, because in the end, we're going to fry everything together and put all the ingredients together. So frying this lightly. All right, so if you can see here, the carrots, I added the soy sauce in here, and it's pretty much all fried up. And let's put that in our bowl there. Perfect. And now the mushrooms. So you'll notice the mushrooms will actually be a little bit more faster in frying up. Okay, so again, the mushroom's going to be a little faster, so maybe 2 minutes or so, just because it is chopped up really tiny. So with the noodles, one of the reasons why I love the chicken chow mein, it actually reminds me of Mauritius quite a bit. Being in Mauritius, I think the only thing that I eat a lot is chicken chow mein and of course the dal puri. But so even here in Canada that we don't have, you know, places, I guess in Edmonton I should say, I know there's a few restaurants in other cities, but in Edmonton we don't have the Mauritian cuisines or restaurants. So that's why I like to make it homemade. I know what I'm putting in it, and it gives it a little, you know, when you have that craving for Mauritian food, and there you go. Alright, the mushroom's done. Put this in here. Okay, so we want to add a little oil for the noodles there. Okay. The fresh noodles. Okay, so what you really want to do is fry it up. So at the same time that you are mixing it, do make sure that you're adding the oil and the soy sauce just to keep it frying. You don't want to burn it. Okay, I'm gonna switch to something else. All right, so now that the noodles are fried, let's add everything in there. Oh, that smells so good. Check it out. So, noodles, chicken, carrots, mushrooms. So this is the typical, I guess, Mauritian fried noodles. And also, people like to add maybe eggs in it, or you can add shrimp as well. But again, it depends on your taste. So once that's done here, let's just give it a little mix. Let's make it all pretty, I guess. Just kidding. So, and then the green onions is for garnish. Perfect. There you go. So typically, I guess it is a typical Mauritian dish, cuisine. Fried noodles, chicken chow mein. But yeah, you can add pretty much anything that you want to it. If you want to add celery, we've tried that once too. Amazing. Again, you can find this in restaurants in Mauritius, on the streets with their food trucks. And it's one of my favorite dishes. So do check out my other videos. Do subscribe, like, comment, and I'll be posting more cooking videos. Thank you.
Too. We'll see. Bonjour, Nea. One test, 1 2 1 2.
My chow mein is getting burned. Just kidding.
Adding all that stuff, right? You're not filming, are you? You're supposed to be doing it. This is your videos. Stop it.
I took a rest and then you just grabbed it.